Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
You said you wanna play your game. You dealt me in, I said I'll pick it up, it's all the same.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't follow all the rules. I know you don't, you change day by day. Hardly seems that fair. How can anybody understand? How can anybody win? 8 points later, I thought it was about time we hit the finish line. 8 points later, I wasn't winning
Artlist.io.
at all, I was further behind. You played your hand, that showed my cards. I took my talks right from your heart. I laid them down before your eyes. Game over, blow the whistle, we're out of time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, baby, it's your turn, a time to play. What are you scared of? Why do you keep running away? Come on, just show your hand. Do you even wanna play? It was your idea. You hardly seem to care. Why do you expect me to wanna stay? How can
Artlist.io.
anybody win? 8 points later, I thought it was about time we hit the finish line. 8 points later, I wasn't winning at all, I was just further behind. You played your hand, but showed my cards. I took my talks right from your heart. I laid
Music
them down
licensing
before your
reimagined.
eyes. Game over, blow the whistle, we're out of time. You're just using me for fun, to take the win, and then we're done. I thought I meant a little more. Don't wanna play no more. Come on, boy, tag me out.
Artlist.io.
8 points later. 8 points later. 8 points later. 8 points later.
Music licensing reimagined.